Hello, I'm going to show you now how to create a signature so that every single time you generate a new email or reply to an email, your contact details will be at the bottom of that email. So rather than having to always type kind regards or thanks or whatever, it's pre-populated. Now there's a number of different ways of doing this, but a nice easy way is whilst you're in an email, and you could be replying to the email or you could be generating a new email, it really doesn't matter. All you do is you go to, in the message tab, there's a button here called signature. Pop that arrow down. Now any pre-existing signatures that have already been popped in will be in there and you can select, but I'm going to go to the signatures button just here. Now how this works, I'm going to click new. So name of this signature is going to be Ben W. Okay, click OK. So it adds an item in the top. And then see down here in this box, this is where you put what you want the signature to be. So I'm going to type kind regards in, put Ben just in here. Let's put my email address in as well. So ben@improve.online. Maybe I'll put a phone number in here. There we go. So there's my signature. I can choose as well to play around with the formatting if I wanted to. You can also as well build quite nice signatures with like logos and tables and much more complicated stuff. Can be a bit fiddly to do in here. So what I tend to find works best is go into a Word document, create your signature that you want and then paste it into here. It's a bit easier to do. But once you've kind of configured it how you want, the only other thing you have to do is you obviously pick the email account you want to add the signature to. If I now go to pop the arrow down for new emails, I want the Ben W signature, which is what I've just created. So for new emails, I want that. And for forwards and replies, I want the Ben W signature there. Now, the reason why they've given you that option to have more than one signature and assign the signature per email account is you might have a signature which contains maybe a confidentiality agreement or something like that, and that goes on to every single new email. But as soon as you're replying, you don't want that to appear at the bottom of every single reply. So maybe you would just have one with just your contact details in. But then once you're ready, click OK. So I'm going to close this email. Now if I hit reply to an email, can you see it adds kind regards Ben, puts my phone number in. Also, if I generate a new email by clicking new email, can you see it puts that into the bottom there for me as well? If you can't locate the signatures option here, you can get it also by going to File, Options, and then we go to the Mail section on the left, and then there's one here called Signatures, and it is exactly the same screen. It's just a different place that you're getting it from. So that is how you create signatures in Outlook to sign off either new emails or replies and forwards.